paying more for the 8 pound. And using more blood each candle and thing. I mean, 8 pound is so cheap to wear, printed, all these new model area range, but what can I say about it? I mean, I do like that sound when it goes over it. That's pretty cool. Wow. Incredible. Right, we're going to get some close-up shots now, guys, and I will get some close-up shots and let you guys see my A4 mallard. You just move the hand out the way of the tripod. I'll just see if I can take this thing off. Apologize if the spinning is making me feel sick, but I wish I don't do that, but it's the only way to get this thing off of this tripod. There we go. Apologize for that. Yeah, here we go. Let me just zoom in for. Right, I'm going to try to get some close-up shots for you before and I'm going to put my gun down while I'm doing this, because, you know, it can be a little bit complicated to get the angles right. Playing with trains tonight, strength test tomorrow. I can't remember what it was, so I'll have to bring my piece of paper and what I need to do. See what I need to focus on. So it's steam trains, no electric, and then steam. Steam, then electric, and then diesels. That's what we're doing tonight. We're just basically playing with the trains. Get some good close angles for you. Close up. We'll do some far away distance shots too with them, so you can see them from a distance. There we go. I'm looking at getting the Eton Star this year if I can. I might get another HST during the autumn. Well, I know what I'm doing now for the layout, for my proper layout, which I'm really looking at, but it's going to be awesome, but it's going to be knackering to put everything together as the way I want it, but means I'm constantly, you know, on a smaller board means you constantly, you know, less problems are going to go on, and it's easy to maintain as well. Bigger layouts take a lot more effort and energy to actually keep up and tolerate it. I might extend it a little bit to make for the yard for the bigger locos like the Blue Pullman by Batman and the London Midland Underground Tube Stop train. But for now, I'm just going to focus on just getting these locomotives running and let them run for a while. This is the next one. If you guys want me to re-unbox this locomotive, let me know in the comments below and I will do it. This one is in fine, this one's in perfect condition. Most of these locos are, except from that one. These only got buffers missing. Buffers missing on this locomotive, that's all she's missing. Without the buffers, she's technically a complete set, yes. The chimney's a little bit out of shape and a bit damaged, but you know, that's because in the past, if you recall, I did put like a bit of paper, I did put a bit of paper on fire, and I did blow it out, but I just made it like a steam effect from the steam trains, because in real life, steam trains are puffing out loads of steam coming out of the funnel. It's cool to see, but I can actually get a steam generator for this locomotive, which would be cool, but I'll probably have to make it DCC, digital, to make it able to work. I think you make it analog, but I'm not sure. That probably wouldn't be very easy to do. And I want to keep most of my layout DC, obviously I'm going to have a system with well, make it DC for the rest of my life, because I do like DCC trains, but to have it digital, I'm going to have a half digital for all the street lighting and things like that, and all the layout, the backdrops and stuff will all be DC, most of my line. This line here, on my proper layout, will be DC, the inner line will be digital, so that way, one line's going to be digital, one line's going to be analogued, and that way the analog trains can run on the outer line, and then it basically will be, I think I'll stick it with DC, analog trains, and what I'm going to do in that time, I'm going to DCC my lighting, turn around and try derailment. What does that mean for a steam train if it derails? Well, if you've got a train that's derailed, if you've got a derailment on your analog train, or DC, depends on what you prefer, basically what that means to the locomotive, when you've got derailment, it means it's hitting a certain point of the track, it lifts from the training wheels at the front of the train, and it hits a certain point of the track, it lifts up, and it makes the wheel go to the side, which means it derails and breaks the train. So the pony truck is at the back, the training wheels at the front. I think that's how it is. I think nothing included in real life. I think that's how it works. So the training wheels will be at the back of the train, DC. Digital, if you're looking at getting a digital out or you're looking to set one up, you're basically looking at something between the line of, how you want to set up in your own way. Just go again. It means that corner there is what's causing it. So I'm going to have to sort that corner out to some extent, to the stuff in this side making it great. Didn't activate anything on that occasion, but she did go in there, she's all right there. Yeah, it's still not turning too much. It's pretty understandable actually, because I find it's a bit of a nightmare to go around. So I'm going to stop there so that way it doesn't fall off. And I'm going to go for a little bit of a more casual connection here between a small little straight piece and their corner. That way it might work. That's the hope. So I would expect that will be hoping that will actually be in line to that unit, which this track is one apart, so I might have to use the 4-yard piece. Slightly annoying, but that doesn't really matter, because I have got lots of thin corner pieces right around in my boxes, which is good. The all pieces are always coming out in times you don't really want to use them, but spares, corners are always handy. It's much more likable to have spares at times when you need them. Right now, I'm out using that one of those. I've still got another 2 points, so I'm going to have to make a use of these at some point, because at the moment they're not in use. I will make use of them at some point. They just need to keep sanding and cleaning up for using them. But right now, I've got looking for a gentle corner, so that's what I need right now. I'm hoping to find one. The gentle corner. He says he's trying to dig it for one. Definitely not that one. That's way too tight in that. That, I think that's the perfect one. I think we found the perfect one. It's not as tight as the other one, which is good. So hopefully this one will do the trick just fine. Let's see if we give this one a go and see if that makes any nice difference to the train and performance of the loco. Hopefully, should be alright. As I said, it's temporary, it's not permanent. And I stopped her because she did get around there with a derailment train. So I guess it's not thicker as the train's fault, but I think it's to do with the angle of the